Okay, so today we'll start another chapter, that is ratio and proportion. This chapter will try to understand in two parts. First, we'll try to understand ratio. Now, ratio means you can say it is a form of fraction only. Okay, next, suppose in this question it is given 30 is to 45. The fraction will become 30 by 45. 30 is to 45 means 30 is the numerator and 45 is the denominator. Okay, now you see exercise 10.1. First question, express the following ratios in the simplest form. 30 is to 45. Okay, so simplest form means we have to reduce it. Now how will you reduce it? 30 is to 45 equals to 30 by 45. Okay, now these two we have to cancel. Alright, now we can cancel both the numbers with 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 9 are 45. Okay, then again 6 and 9 you can cancel with the help of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 2 and 3 further cancellation is not possible. So our answer is 2 is to 3. Okay, same thing in case of 250 is to 100 also. Same, 250 by 100, 0 and 0 we have cancelled first, then 25 and 10 we have divided with 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. More than that is not possible. So our answer is 5 is to 2. Okay, next you see 1.5 is to 5.1. Now this becomes 1.5 divided by 5.1. Now what we will do, we will remove the decimal points here. So 1.5 if you remove, it becomes 15 by 10 divided by 5.1. If you remove the decimal, it becomes 51 by 10. Now we'll bring this 51 by 10 to the top side. When we do it, this 51 by 10 it will be reversed. So it will become 15 by 10 into 10 by 51. Okay, now 10 and 10 will get cancelled off. 15 and 51 you can cancel with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 17s are 51. So more than this is not possible. So 5 by 17 equals to 5 is to 17. Okay, next same thing here also, but here only in the numerator you have the decimal point, so you have removed the decimal point from the numerator. It becomes 21 by 10 by 7. So this will reverse it again, 21 by 10 into 1 by 7, because below 7 nothing is there, that means 1 is there. So 3 and 21 you can cancel, 7 and 21 you can cancel with the help of 3. So 7 3s are 21. Okay, so our answer is 3 is to 10. Now number E you see 8x is to 12x equals to 8x by 12x. Now x and x you can cancel, and 8 and 12 you can cancel with the help of 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Again 4 and 6 you can cancel with the help of 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So our final answer is 2 by 3 becomes 2 is to 3. Number F you see 2 1 by 6 is to 1 1 by 3. Both are mixed fractions here. Okay, so at first we will convert them to improper fractions. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 2 is 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So 4 by 3. Now we will take them to the divisional form. 13 by 2 is divided by 4 by 3. Now we will bring the 4 by 3 to the top. So obviously it will be reversed. 13 by 2 into 3 by 4. Now in this case you cannot cancel 3 and 2. You cannot cancel 13 and 4. You cannot cancel 3 and 4, as well as you cannot cancel 13 and 2. So in this case we will multiply the numerators and then the denominators also. So 13 3s are 39, 4 2s are 8. 39 is to 8. Okay, next 1 by 8 is to 1 by 10. It is the same. So this one is also as it is. Come to number L. 4p square q is to 10pq square. Now p square means p into p and q square means q into q. Now what we will do here, at first we'll write it in the divisional form, then we'll break the whole both these numbers. So 4 into, since it is p square, so p into p into only 1 q, so q, divided by 10 into p only 1, so 1p into q square means q into q. Okay, now p and p you can cancel, q and q you can cancel, and 4 and 10 can be cancelled with the help of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So what are we left with? 2p divided by 5q. So this will convert it to ratio form, that is 2p is to 5q. Okay, Next, a dozen to a score. Now always remember, dozen means 12 and score means 20. So a dozen is to a score, that means 12 is to 20. So rest, it is as it is 12 by 20, then you are cancelling it. Our final answer is 3 is to 5. 9 months is to 2.5 years. Now 1 year equals to 12 months. Therefore 2 years will be 2 into 12 months, that is 24 months, and half year is 12 by 2 months, so equals to 6 months. Therefore 2.5 year is 24 plus 6 months, that is 30 months. We have converted both of them into the same unit. Since this is months, we have converted this to months. So then 9 is to 30, after cancellation it becomes 3 is to 10. Same thing, 5 meter is to 600 centimeter. We have converted the 5 meter into centimeter, becomes 500 centimeter. Then 500 centimeter to 600 centimeter. After cancellation, our answer is 5 is to 6.